can't do it like me.
A bunch of us out here. It's gonna be lit. This is the original song. Directed King June, tapping with King June, tapping with me, tapping with everybody on the cast. Appreciate you guys for coming out.
Sure enough.
This is the red carpet premiere, baby.
Hey.
I feel on top of the world. Shout out to King June for this opportunity. I will be working with you some more, brother. Anything you need, I'm there. Any role you need me to play, I'm gonna play it.
Sure enough.
Yeah.
Sure
I feel
enough.
on top of the world. Like I never would have thought that. I've tried other times and I didn't get picked. So yeah, it's my opportunity.
Amazing. I played the character Radio Fox, and it was just out my comfort zone. So I just love how to see things, how the story unfolded, and I was just such, an asset to the whole play. Everybody was great. Everyone who was in the movie was just awesome, and I'm excited for part 2 because King June left us hanging, so we want more. We want more. Can you dig it? Can you feel it? Energy. So Radio Fox didn't die.
Right.
So she gotta multiply and come back for part 2.
For part 2. Yeah.
Mic over to the man that brought us all together and that worked so hard to bring this project to life, Mr. June.
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you all for pulling up. This whole project was a hell of a journey. There's some day ones, and I appreciate y'all. This film was about just unifying Black people in a common space, a creative space, and a split testimony. All I can say is the devil tried to tear this apart from A to Z. You know what I'm saying? And I completed this film on behalf of the cast members that saw the vision. I dedicate this to y'all. I ain't gonna get too emotional, but I had to separate business from this project. And this came from the heart, you feel me? So before I throw it to the movie, I would like to shout out somebody who, kept me going on a spiritual level. She kept me motivated. She didn't give me no problems on the set, you know what I'm saying? And, she kept everybody going, you know what I'm saying? Like she was how can I put it? She was the life on the set. She kept everybody, you know what I'm saying, in good spirits. And she took the torch. She went from a supporting actress to a leading actress. And we had the storyline for the 3rd time. You know what I'm saying? And, I went to her and I said, look, how would you feel about being the lead? And she was like, me? And I was like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You up, come on. So she drove this movie back home. I appreciate it. She helped me bring my vision to life, and I dedicate this to her. This is her first lead.
Oh.
And this is for Ariel. single her out because it wasn't just her. Everybody in this theater right now contributed, and I appreciate y'all. I don't know y'all like that, but I love y'all like that. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all coming through for me, and I promise to take this brand and what y'all contributed to the next level, and make sure the world see what y'all contributed. And I appreciate y'all.
Amen.
This is God in my room, okay?
So Maestro,
I'm so humble and thank you. Thank you. I don't need no light. Yes.
we're gonna cut the lights off.
No, this gonna sit next to me.
This is Sister Soulja, second installment of the Quad City franchise. Hey, look, this is about to take over the city of Atlanta.
Hey!
All right, y'all, let's give a round of applause to everybody that was in this film. Everyone showed up and showed out. And let's give another big round of applause to the man himself, June! What it do? Yes, we did a phenomenal job, everyone, and just thank you all for coming out. And, till next time, because it's more to come. Make sure you check out the vendors in the back with the edible body care. It smells really good. And stop by our media as well and give a shout out to the film. Thank you so much, and God bless y'all, and good night.